What's up, guys? How are you? Today we will talk about how to link the activities. This is our finish milestone. We will change layout from here. Open. These columns we don't need, so we will change it and we will save this layout as a new layout. This is our finish milestone. So from here we will make it activity type finish milestone, completion of construction work. This is also our finish milestone, completion of as-built drawing. This is also our finish milestone. Milestone will be linked from the WBS end activity. This completion milestone should be linked from the last activity in the construction. We will start now. Start will be linked. This is status, resources, predecessors, successors, relationships. In the relationship, there is both successors and predecessors. So we will assign simply, we will link start activity. We click here on the start and from here we will link it to mobilization of manpower and mobilization of site office and mobilization of equipment. After mobilization of manpower, we will start submittal of shop drawings for earthwork. Submittal of shop drawings for structure. Mobilization of site office. After mobilization of site office, we will start to prepare shop drawings. Mobilization of equipment. This will be linked from site cleaning and layout marking. Submittal of shop drawings for structure. It will be linked approval of approval of job drawing for earthwork, submittal of job drawing for earthwork, approval of job drawing for earthwork. Double click here, it will be link automatically. After approval of job drawings, we will submit the material, submittal of steel material, submittal of concrete. After approval of job drawing for earthwork, it will be linked from work permit and or work permit can be go parallel, so we can link it directly to site cleaning and layout marking. After that, excavation. After site cleaning and layout marking, we will start excavation. Now come here, submittal of material, submittal of steel material. It will be link approval of steel material, submittal of concrete, will be link approval of concrete. Approval of steel material. After that, steel winding for footing. Approval of concrete will be linked from the lean concrete and pouring concrete. Work permit. Work permit. We can do predecessor for this activity, mobilization of manpower. After work permit, we will start site cleaning and layout marking. And also, only not cleaning, we can start safety arrangement. After safety arrangement, we will start site cleaning and layout marking. Okay. So if we click here, activity ID, so it will become in the sequence when we created these activities, it is increasing in the incremental way. So we will click here, it will become in the sequence after 1, 2, 3 number wise, and when we will link these activities, it will be uh, in sequence from the start date. Now come to the site cleaning and layout marking. This will be linked from excavation. Excavation will be linked to lean concrete. After excavation, successor will be lean concrete. Successor of lean concrete will be steel binding for footing. Steel binding for footing and column. After that, installation of shuttering. After installation of shuttering, it will be linked from pouring of concrete for footing. Okay, but steel binding for footing and column. After that, we make shuttering only for footing, so we pour the concrete only for footing. After concrete, removal of shuttering for footing. Curing of footing, bitumen paint for footing. After that, installation of shuttering for column. Pouring of concrete for column. Removal of shuttering for column. After removal of shuttering, curing for column. After curing, bitumen paint for column. After bitumen paint, backfilling for column. After backfilling for the substructure. After backfilling, leveling and compaction for grade beam and grade slab. After that, lean concrete for grade beam. Steel binding for grade beam. Installation of shuttering for grade beam. Pouring concrete for grade beam. And pouring concrete for grade slab. So here our construction work has finished. So this activity, last activity of construction work will be linked from completion of construction work. Okay, and after construction, what we will do? We will start to prepare as-built drawing. Submittal of as-built drawing. Also O&M. After construction, we will start O&M to submit our client. O&M basically it is for warranty for the product which we use in our project, operation and maintenance. This will be provided by our supplier, and with guarantee letter it will be submitted to the client. So it will take 2 or 3 days. It's depend on our supplier. After after construction finish, we will be demobilize and project handover. We will be link from this activity also, but it is depend on the as-built drawing, because our offices will be used still until the finish of drawings and O&M. So after finish of drawing and construction, we will be demobilized from the site. Testing and commissioning. Testing and commissioning will be start from the beginning till the end. It will be linked from site cleaning and layout marking. And it will be start to start. This is finish to finish, finish to start. This is activity relationship type. So every activity here in the substructure work is finish to start, but this activity will be start to start. After testing and commissioning, it will be linked to the completion of testing and commissioning, demobilization of demobilization and project handover, submittal of as-built drawing, approval of as-built drawing, O&M. O&M will be linked from last activity of construction, and it will be finished to start. O&M successor of demobilization and project handover. Demobilization and project handover will be linked from the finish of project. Now our all activities is linked, and I will change this name project finish. Copy, paste. Project start 10 May, project finish will become, we will schedule now after link the activities. We will schedule this on 10 May current data date. Data date means which date you scheduled your project. So now it's coming up to 2 October. And here you can check milestone completion of construction work. It is coming 20 September because it is linked from the last activity. If you will check this activity date, so go to this activity, and here you can check 20 September, and again you will go completion of construction work from here, and here you can check 20 September is mentioned, is appearing here. Also here completion of as-built drawing is coming 10 May, but I think this is not linked from the as-built drawing approval. So it will be linked, as-built drawing approval will be linked from construction of as-built, completion of as-built drawing. Now here also showing 10 May because we didn't schedule it. Now we are scheduling it, so it will be mentioned same date. See, this is coming now to October. Check here, completion of as-built drawing mentioned to October. Testing and commissioning 1 June is coming. So check here, testing and commissioning, go to completion 1 June. This is our finish milestone. If you will be make it start milestone, so it will be mentioned here the start date. Completion of testing and commissioning. Now we will check view logs, log file. We will check from here, everything will be show default project, this is project ID, projects construction of a building, this is project name, scheduling, leveling settings, schedule, yes, leveling, no, still not level, ignore relationship to and from other projects, no, make open-ended activities critical, no, use expected finish dates, yes, schedule automatically when a change affects dates, no, it will be a change when we will update the schedule. So we are preparing here preliminary schedule, so we will see the predecessor and successor. Activity without predecessor. Project start, there is no predecessor for the project start, but there is un, un, unseen predecessor is there that we can show, that is project bidding, pricing. This is the before the project. This is this work. Activities without successors. Project finish. After that, no successor. Completion of construction work. No successors. Completion of as-built drawing. This is our milestone. So here is one activity showing bitumen paint for column. After that, we didn't link this activity. So here we can see activity without successor. So it should be linked. You cannot open it logically. It will be linked. So go to the bitumen paint. Bitumen paint for column. After bitumen paint, backfilling. It is linked now, I think. See, now it's hide from here. Schedule leveling result. Project scheduled leveled 1. Activities scheduled leveled 44. Relationships with other projects 0. Data date 10 May. Early start date 10 May. Latest early finish date 7 October. Critical activities 42 critical activities is showing here. We will be reduce it. Activity with unsatisfied constraint 0. Activity with unsatisfied relationships 0. Activities with external dates 0. We will check the finish dates of this project. 9 September is May, June, July, August, September. Okay, we make this project for 3 months, so we will make here 9 October or 9 September. Now we will schedule again. It will be show more critical activities because we didn't put the proper duration for this for all activities. There is still we don't put duration, so we will put the duration as per volume of work, and we will reduce this date till 9 September after reducing the duration. So how to put the duration, how we know the duration for each activities? It is depend on the volume of work and the and it is depend also on the resources. So in the next video we will put the duration along with the volume of work. So guys, thank you. We will see we will see you in the next video. Thank you.